Good evening, everyone. My name is Marley, obviously, and I've just attended this lecture by Chris, and I think it was really inspirational. I think it's important to note that I've also been at other lectures previously by other billionaires and millionaires, and I'm a student of Richard Denny, so he's truly inspired me too. But Chris did a really great job this evening, he sold Affilax, Affilify really, really well. And I've been really happy to be here.
Do you recommend to anyone this training?
Oh, I think so. Everything that they listed included going to Dubai and going biking or going over sand dunes and going rivering. It looks like a 2-month holiday in Dubai, but done in a weekend. Plus the training, which looks really awesome, which includes his business card, by the way, because he won't give it away. It's a prestigious thing to have, which networking is obviously important. Anyone who attends these, I totally recommend that they talk around with people before they go in, because you never know who you're going to meet. Chris is a really good guy, though, you can tell. Surprisingly from my area, back in England.